Hey guys, in this video we're gonna be checking out the top 5 best electric water coolers that are available on the market for their true quality. Through extensive research and testing, I've put together a list of options that will meet the needs of different types of buyers. So whether it's price, performance, or its particular use, we've got you covered. For more information on the products, I've included links in the description box down below, which are updated for the best prices. Like the video, comment, and don't forget to subscribe. Now let's get started. Starting at number 5, we have the Avalon A4BLWTRCLR water dispenser. When innovation is put at the forefront of design, magic happens, and that's exactly what has produced this well-thought-out and designed water dispenser. The Avalon A4BLWTRCLR water dispenser incorporates bottom water bottle loading, which eliminates the strain and stress that comes with top loading. This water cooler requires you to simply secure your water bottle in the compartment located at the bottom of the machine for easy and comfortable loading. As impressive as that is, this dispenser has a whole lot more to offer. It also delivers water in 3 different temperatures, from piping hot to room temperature all the way to soothing cold. So, you no longer need to wait for your water to get cold in the fridge or get hot on the stove, because this machine provides all 3 temperatures consistently throughout the day. Moving on, at number 4, we have the Brio self-cleaning bottom-loading water cooler. Stylish and innovative, the Brio self-cleaning bottom-loading water cooler water dispenser is a perfect fit in any home or office. Combining functionality with stunning style, it's hard not to fall in love with this machine. Further, it is a tri-temperature water cooler. This simply means that it provides you with water in 3 different temperatures for your ease and pleasure. Enjoy a pleasant variety with refreshing cold water, ambient room temperature water, and calming hot water, all from the same dispenser. Even better, hot coffee, cool iced teas, and lukewarm drinking water are all things you can enjoy at the same time by simply acquiring the Brio water cooler. It also comes with an easy bottom loading technology that protects your back and arms from getting hurt during lifting by eliminating the lifting process entirely. Simply load the bottom cabinet with your water bottle and it remains nicely stored away while you go about your business. At number 3, we have the Avalon Top Load Slim Fit Electric Water Cooler. Avalon brings micro-sized solutions to your kitchen, giving you a fast on-the-go breakfast, or a cup of tea the moment you wake up. This fits into most spaces with ease, making an excellent addition to your kitchen or home office, and the benefits don't end there. LED indicator lights give you the status of your hot and cold water, while the integrated safety lock means little fingers won't be able to get hurt. You're going to run into an issue with a bit of loud humming, but after it's set up for a while, it's going to appear as light white noise in the background. You get a decent speed of water flow. Nothing is more aggravating than waiting 20 seconds to fill up a 5 ounces cup. And the means to move this whenever you need due to the lightweight construction, mixed with stainless steel and ABS plastic. At number 2, we have the Primo bottom-loading water cooler. With its sleek design comprising high-grade stainless steel, it's hard not to get carried away by the looks of this water dispenser. But trust us, that's only the tip of the iceberg. The Primo bottom-loading water cooler combines aesthetics with convenience so that you enjoy the best of both worlds. It equally features bottom-loading technology that requires you to simply place the water bottle in the bottom compartment of the device. This eliminates the stress of lifting the bottle as well as prevents dripping. Even better is the fact that it requires no installation or plumbing and is very easy to secure. And finally, at number 1, we have the Farberware Freestanding Hot and Cold Electric Water Cooler. Most of us have owned something from Farberware before, but few of us have gone for big appliances. Truth be told, we were a bit skeptical when we tested this one, but we were pleasantly shocked, and it ended up taking home the bronze for our list. Keep water at the perfect temperature for adding this to a home gym or kitchen for a refreshing, but not necessarily ice-cold drink. Low energy usage makes this excellent for budget-conscious folk who just want to keep the costs down without having to put too much effort into it. Thanks for watching, and that's all for now. I hope to see you guys in the next video. Till next time.